My Baba stopped the train once. He was asked, because he used to live naked. Avadhutas are Digambaras, only one kopin. And all those sahibs, they objected, why the naked saint has entered in our coupe. He said, I have a valid ticket. But the ticket checker said, no, but you cannot travel with civilized people. He said, okay. He got down. There's an incident of South India. He stood near the lamppost and the train engine started. All machines were moving. Only one thing was not moving, and that was the train. For 1 hour, when they tried everything, then they said, he is the saint. Bring him in and the train will start. And the moment with respect he was brought in, the train started. Now it is the Shakti of the cosmic power. No need to fill yourself with all the negative emotions, with all those negative belief system, with all those belief system of uncertainty or incompetence. Erase everything. And that is what I am going to help you. Erase all those negative phobias or all those incidents of sorrow. If anything has happened, let it go. We are so funny people. The human being is so very funny. It's a real funny human being. All act of funny things we do. If any good incident happen, we don't recall that moment of happiness. It happened and it's over. And if any sad incident happen in our life, we'll go on recalling it. And the God says, I wanted him to release the karma by suffering once, but I made him suffer once, and this foolish fellow is making him suffer every day for years and years or throughout his life. How funny he is. Very funny act. Now the car race is going on. If somebody send those 3 plastic hangers, hang around your neck and go there and see the car racing. What is that? The car. Now how will you see? In 1 second the car will go. You cannot even wait for 5-10 minutes to admire what he is doing. And all hotels are full, everything is full. And in Bombay and other places, it's a horse race. Everybody will come. Thousands and thousands of people will see the horse is running. Human being is crazy. Horse is intelligent. If human being is running, no horse will come to see you. They will keep on grazing and doing all good things what they have to do. And we will just take off everything. And it's a very busy day. I have to watch them running. But I want you to be normal. Now, a Shiva Yogi must become normal. Anything which you want, recall that experience, recall that feeling. And anything which you do not want to happen in your life, discard it. But any incident which we do not want to happen, we go on recalling. If one death occurs in the family, we go on recalling. Collectively, we go on recalling till the time another death occurs. And then we go on recalling another. And they say there is some problem, some dosha, some tantra, some psychic attack, and they don't understand they are the one who is creating. More you think of any incident, more it has the chances of reoccurring in the life. It's a very simple science I'm teaching you.